Are you tired of struggling with long shots off the fairway? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best fairway woods for long shots in 2026. And trust me, number 1 will surprise even seasoned golfers with its blend of power and precision. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a tour-level pro, these clubs promise distance, control, and consistency that can transform your game. Stick around, you won't want to miss the ultimate choice for serious long hitters. Number 5. TaylorMade Stealth 2 Fairway Wood. Performance. The TaylorMade Stealth 2 delivers impressive distance and forgiveness for mid-handicap golfers. Its multi-material construction and low spin design help generate higher ball speed and improve trajectory for long, controlled shots from fairways or rough. Technology and features. Featuring a revolutionary 60x carbon twist face and optimized inverted cone technology, this fairway wood reduces spin while maximizing launch. The adjustable loft sleeve allows fine-tuning of ball flight, making it highly customizable for individual swing styles and course conditions. Design and build. The Stealth 2 has a sleek black crown with premium carbon crown. Its aerodynamic shape promotes faster swing speeds and a clean look at address, giving golfers confidence while aiming for precision. Weight and portability. Lightweight yet stable, it's easy to swing for all ages and can fit comfortably in any standard golf bag without adding bulk. Pros. Excellent distance and forgiveness for mid-handicaps. Modern carbon twist face for enhanced speed. Sleek, aerodynamic design improves confidence at address. Cons. Slightly pricey for beginners. Spin control may be less for very low handicap players. Best for/ideal use. Perfect for mid-handicap golfers looking for reliable distance off the fairway and versatility in various lies, including light rough. Price and value. Retailing around $299 to $349, the Stealth 2 offers high-tech innovation at a competitive price, making it one of the best affordable fairway woods 2025 for players seeking performance without breaking the bank. Final verdict/summary. A solid, high-performing option that balances forgiveness and distance, ideal for those seeking a modern, reliable fairway wood. Number 4. Callaway Rogue ST Max Fairway Wood. Performance. The Callaway Rogue ST Max is engineered for maximum ball speed and stability. Golfers experience long, straight shots thanks to its high moment of inertia design, making it a favorite for both amateurs and professionals targeting extra yards without sacrificing accuracy. Technology and features. Equipped with jailbreak speed frame technology, the Rogue ST Max increases ball speed across the face. Its tungsten energy core shifts weight low and deep for optimized launch and spin, while the AI-designed Flash Face SS21 maximizes distance on every swing. Adjustable loft and lie allow further customization for unique playing styles. Design and build. Finished in a glossy black crown with subtle accents, the club exudes premium quality. Its compact yet forgiving head inspires confidence at address, and the carbon crown reduces weight for faster swing speeds. Weight and portability. Balanced for easy swing and smooth follow-through, it fits in standard golf bags, making it portable and practical for any course or travel situation. Pros. Long, straight shots with reduced spin. AI-designed face boosts ball speed, adjustable for personalized performance. Cons. Slightly heavier for slower swingers. Premium price may deter casual plays. Best for/ideal use. Ideal for golfers seeking distance and forgiveness from the fairway, especially for those with faster swing speeds aiming for maximum yardage. Price and value. Priced around $349 to $399, it's a top-rated fairway wood for those prioritizing raw power and technology, making it a solid investment for serious long shot improvement. Final verdict/summary. A high-speed, technologically advanced fairway wood, perfect for golfers chasing extra distance without sacrificing accuracy. Number 3. Ping G430 Fairway Wood. Performance. The Ping G430 delivers precise, consistent long shots with remarkable forgiveness. Its low and deep CG promotes higher launch while keeping spin controlled, making it easier to hit long, accurate shots from any lie. Technology and features. Features Ping's Dragonfly crown for weight savings and a miraging steel face to increase ball speed. The internal rib structure optimizes energy transfer, while adjustable loft and lie settings allow fine-tuning for personalized shot shaping. Advanced aerodynamics improve swing speed and trajectory consistency. Design and build. Matte black crown and sleek silver sole provide a classic look. Premium feel at impact and superior alignment aids make it easier to line up shots confidently, while the high-quality grip adds comfort and control. Weight and portability. Lightweight and balanced, it's easy to swing for extended rounds and fits perfectly in standard golf bags for easy transport. Pros: exceptional forgiveness on mishits, premium feel and classic design, adjustable settings for custom performance. Cons: may feel stiff for slower swingers, slightly higher price than entry-level woods. Best for/ideal use. Great for mid to low handicap golfers seeking consistency, control, and feel for long shots on fairways or off the tee. Price and value. Retailing at $329 to $379, the G430 delivers top-tier performance for its price, making it one of the best high-performance Fairway Woods 2025 without breaking the bank. Final verdict/summary. A versatile and forgiving fairway wood, perfect for golfers seeking dependable long shots with precision and feel. Number 2. TaylorMade Sim 2 Max Fairway Wood. Performance. The Sim 2 Max excels in distance, speed, and forgiveness. Its low spin design ensures long, penetrating shots, while the high moment of inertia offers stability, making it a favorite for golfers chasing extra yards from both fairway and tee. Technology and features. Equipped with multi-material construction, forged ring construction, and a high-strength steel face, the Sim 2 Max maximizes energy transfer. Twist face technology corrects off-center hits, while the adjustable loft sleeve lets golfers fine-tune trajectory and spin for ideal ball flight. Design and build. Sleek black and silver crown with premium detailing. Aerodynamically optimized for faster swings and confidence at address, giving both casual and competitive golfers a high-performance look and feel. Weight and portability. Balanced for smooth swings, lightweight enough for extended rounds, and easily fits in standard golf bags without hassle. Pros: maximizes distance and ball speed, adjustable loft and trajectory options, premium construction and feel. Cons: the price may be high for beginners, slightly less suited for very slow swing speeds. Best for/ideal use. Perfect for golfers seeking maximum distance and forgiveness from mid-handicap to advanced players wanting to dominate long shots consistently. Price and value. Priced at $359 to $399, it's a top-rated fairway wood that offers serious performance for serious golfers, making it one of the best Fairway Woods 2025 for distance and forgiveness. Final verdict/summary. A high-performance, long-distance fairway wood that's ideal for golfers who want speed, precision, and confidence off every fairway. Number 1. Cobra LTDx Fairway Wood. Performance. The Cobra LTDx Fairway Wood dominates long shots with a perfect mix of speed, forgiveness, and accuracy. Low spin and high launch technology make it ideal for maximizing distance without sacrificing control, whether off the tee or fairway. Technology and features. Featuring CNC milled infinity face for faster ball speeds, power core weighting to optimize launch, and advanced carbon crown for weight redistribution, the LTDx delivers unmatched performance. Adjustable loft and lie angles allow complete personalization for golfers of all swing types. Design and build. The matte black crown with silver accents exudes modern style. Its high moment of inertia design enhances stability, and premium feel ensures confidence at address while swinging aggressively for maximum distance. Weight and portability. Lightweight and easy to swing, making it portable for travel and comfortable for extended rounds. Pros: maximum distance with low spin, fully adjustable loft and lie options, premium feel with modern design. Cons: may be expensive compared to entry-level woods, may feel stiff for very slow swingers. Best for/ideal use: ideal for serious golfers seeking top-tier distance and forgiveness from all fairway lies, or players aiming to add extra yards to their game. Price and value: priced at $499 to $429, it's the ultimate combination of technology and performance, offering incredible value for those serious about maximizing distance. Truly one of the best high-performance fairway woods 2025. Final verdict/summary. Our top pick for 2026, the Cobra LTDx, combines power, forgiveness, and adjustability, making it the ultimate fairway wood for long shots. Mini Buyer's Guide.
Choosing the right fairway wood comes down to your priorities. If distance is your main goal, the Cobra LTDx and TaylorMade Sim 2 Max provide maximum ball speed and low spin for long, controlled shots. For forgiveness and versatility, the Ping G430 and Callaway Rogue ST Max help smooth out off-center hits while maintaining consistent trajectory. If you're looking for affordable innovation, the TaylorMade Stealth 2 offers high-tech features without breaking the bank. Beginners may prioritize forgiveness and adjustability, while mid to low handicap players may focus on speed, launch optimization, and control. Consider your swing speed, preferred ball flight, and how much customization you need. Remember, investing in the right fairway wood can significantly improve your scoring and confidence on long holes. Conclusion/CTA. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best fairway woods for long shots in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more golf gear reviews. Check out our playlist on Best Golf Clubs 2025 for full coverage of drivers, irons, and wedges. Which fairway wood would you choose to take your long game to the next level? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.